Installing a new pre-hung front door can enhance your home's comfort, curb appeal, and security. And with the help of a friend and this step-by-step guide, you don't have to call in a pro to do it. Here's what you'll need. Start by removing the old door. Have a partner nearby to assist as you unscrew the hinges and pull the unit out of the frame. You'll also need to remove the door frame from the opening to install a new pre-hung door. Next, measure your rough opening to double-check the new door is the right size. Then remove the new door from its packaging and measure the width and height before beginning installation. Center the new door in the opening using a level to make sure it's square and vertically plumb. Our pre-hung door comes with an installed drip edge. If necessary, shim under the lower side jamb. Go ahead and double-check that the door is still centered and plumb. Once satisfied with the fit, remove the door. Now apply several thick beads of silicone along the bottom of the door sill and the sides of the new frame. With the caulking complete, center the door in the opening again. Then tilt it upright and into place. Screw a temporary number 8 3-inch drywall screw into the jamb to anchor the door. On the hinge side of the door, shim is necessary to get the door plumb. Then, drive 2 number 8 3-inch drywall screws through the top and middle hinge to secure the door. Next, on the interior side of the door, insert the shims into the gaps to help stabilize the new door. Now secure the hinges and check to make sure the door opens and closes properly. If it does, go ahead and remove the temporary anchor screw, replacing it with long anchor screws that penetrate the home's framing studs, strengthening the installation. Anchor molding to the door frame using the appropriate nails every 12 inches. Fill the nail holes with paintable caulk. Then apply a bead around the entire door frame and add weather stripping as needed to create a better seal. Now inside, trim all the shims so that they're flush with the framing. If any interior trim was damaged during the removal of the old door, cut and install new casing now and caulk. To install your new lock set, insert the tail pieces through the latch bolt and screw the handles together by tightening the retaining screws. Then attach the strike plate to the door jamb and admire a job well done. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.